Hola amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Miss Bohemia, and today I'm jumping in with Soultanicals, and I'm taking you straight to the shower because I've switched things up a little bit while I talk about the Hibiscus Hair Healer Healthy Hair Butta Shampoo. And oh my god, I jumped straight into the shower, so let's view that first, and then we'll come back and analyze. The nice thing about being in the shower is I can make my hair as well as I like for when I shampoo. Turn off the water and apply. So let's get kind of like a first impression because I have not opened this. It had leaked a little in the package, but it's still nice and full. Oh my god. Soultanicals, you guys have hit gold with a hibiscus collection. Yes, to all this. It feels so soft that I had to like double check that it was the shampoo. So let's get it all over the hair. Very soft, very soft. It feels super rich. Oh my god, I cannot get enough of the scent. Obviously, it smells like hibiscus. This is super, glides through the hair. Is this shampoo? Yeah, it is shampoo. It is so soft and it already has kind of like a conditioning effect on the hair. Look, it's gliding through. My hair does not do this with shampoo. God. I had to keep triple checking to make sure that it was shampoo and not the hair mask. Lord, this is amazing. Oh, I'm so excited to have this. Trying to get it properly into my hair without overusing. I mean, I'm not using too much. I just want to have it all over and then make sure I have it on the scalp so I can properly scrub my scalp too. And the nice thing about being in the shower, I already have everything I need ready to go. Oh, it feels so good. It's not a full shower experience for me until I can like use my Tangle teaser to really rub the shampoo in. However, let's see, because I stopped the water. I don't know if this is something that will lather. I don't think it's a lathering time. My god, this is incredible how soft it feels. I'm hella paranoid. I'm like, did they put the hair mask and call it a shampoo? This is super slippy and it feels amazing on the hair. I am impressed. Then I like to follow up with my Vanity Planet, which is running out of batteries. But I really want to make sure that my scalp is properly cleansed every time I shampoo. And this is pretty much what I do in the shower. And now let's rinse it up. So normally when I rinse out shampoo, my hair gets really tangled. But look at this. That is super rare. Wow. I don't even know what is in this hibiscus collection, but it is magic. Oh, this is so good. This is really good. It's super cleansing. So I put a lot in. You could have gone in with way less than what you saw me put in. I do feel a whole incredible stripping of all the buildup that I had on my hair without tangling it up. I mean, look at this. It is so smooth, gliding through. It feels incredible. All cleansed, and look at this. Normally I have to use a conditioner to detangle my hair before I do condition. I am ready to go. I am ready to go. See you guys out of the shower. So this is the full finished result of my day's wash day. I'm blown away. It has been such an incredible experience and it really started out with the shampoo. As you saw, it blew me out of the water. I love the scent of this entire line. No, it's not lingering on my hair. It was with a hair mask and it's an incredible scent to have linger. And I had to keep looking at the label to make sure that I had the right product because this is both a super cleansing shampoo in the sense that it really cleans your hair. But if I had to tell you along the spectrum of moisturizing versus stripping shampoos, cleansing shampoos, what do they call it? Can't remember of that the particular name, but you probably know. This falls under the category of moisturizing shampoo, and I have an issue with the word moisturizing shampoo because people might think that, oh, this is like a moisturizing conditioning effect, and it's not what it means. It's pretty much a proper moisturizing shampoo is still supposed to properly cleanse your hair and scalp, just not leave it super stripped. And the thing that was perplexing is that this kind of leaves it stripped, but not stripped in the sense that it fully cleans your hair down to like squeaky clean level of clean, but at the same time it was so soft. You could see me just running my fingers through the hair. So this is incredible. The feel of it, the slip of it, the application, everything was a dream, and I am seriously impressed and blown away by this entire line. So if you are on the fence about it in any way, shape, or form, do not be, and go ahead and get it. This is one of the most magical lines if it's available, because it came as part of the collection of the Hawaiian Hibiscus Healing Collection released by Soultanicals recently, and you can view the unboxing here to see what other products were in it. It's a short, sweet, to the point video. That's it. I hope I'll see in editing if I touched on everything, but if I didn't and I missed anything, feel free to ask me below. If you tried it yourself, let me know how it worked out for you. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more, and I hope to see you in my next one. Ciao for now.